going on, guys?
What is going on, guys? Malvados Garage back with another video. Today we're missing one of the OG crew members, but we got a replacement 10 times better. We got Isaiah here. To my right, we got Junior. And today's gonna be a kind of a shorter video because it's kind of dark. We just want to give you guys content to watch.
So we're probably gonna go to the strip and do some rolling shots of the Ram, the F-150, and the Mustang.
Let's go. All right, so stay tuned for that. We just got food, we're about to eat, and then probably go. So 3, 2, 1.
Mixtapes.